Hi, my name is Dave O'Neill. I'm a geologist in Maptek's technical services team in Edinburgh. Today, I want to show you one of my favourite new things in Vulcan, the ability to link Data Analyzer to data points in their actual locations using a function called Data Analyzer Connectivity. I'll tell you why I think it's great, and then I'll demonstrate how to use it. One of the things geologists do is to use exploratory data analysis on their samples to better understand their deposits and make better estimates. Data Analyzer Connectivity allows the geologist to see in 3D space the locations of samples that they have identified as being of interest. Linking the Data Analyzer to the 3D window like this takes what can be quite dryly presented data from graphs, scatter plots and histograms and helps you view them in their proper geological context. Samples that appear to be part of different domains or that may require capping can be located in 3D space. This may help identify areas of the deposit which need to be modelled differently or that warrant further investigation and hopefully lead to a better estimate. I've opened up my data analyzer through Analyze Data Analyzer. So I'm just going to give you a summary of the steps to use specifically the connectivity function. So I won't focus on how to create the actual graphs. I just want to introduce this option in this video, which is connectivity. So I already have a number of graphs here. I've made a couple of histograms, one for my zinc, one for my lead. So I can see my lead one is much more skewed. Now, if I want to see where some of these samples are located, so if I want to locate these high lead grades, I click on highlight, make sure that button is on. I also say auto zoom. And then when I left click and drag in this window, I can see a green rubber band selection. So I just pick some of the high grade samples there. I can locate them on the screen. And it tells me I've got 299 samples selected, which are represented by this data in the graph. The same applies to scatter plots. So if I've got my lead and zinc scatter plot here, and I wanted to see samples which perhaps don't follow the pattern I was expecting, I can again locate those on the screen, and this may help me make decisions about domaining or capping. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Dave, and if you'd like to learn more tips like these, make sure you subscribe to our social channels. For in-depth training, you might want to take a look at our online and in-person training courses. For information on these, check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching.